Hello and welcome to this short presentation. We're going to cover a few things and go over some ideas and strategies that you can implement into your business or organization. Leverage Wi-Fi is all about you offering free Wi-Fi to your customers, patients, clients, attendees, or whatever type pertains to your business in exchange for them connecting through social media or email address so you can build a huge customer, client, or member database, then engage with that audience to grow your business or organization. When they connect via social media, you gather their email address, which is their actual email address, and in most cases their name as well. Let's show you how this thing works. Now first, let's explain why having free Wi-Fi is so important in the first place. Many businesses already have free Wi-Fi, but not doing anything with it in any way except offering it to their customers as a convenience. So 79% of mobile consumers are influenced on where to shop based on the availability of Wi-Fi. 64% make a restaurant choice based on Wi-Fi, so every restaurant should already have free Wi-Fi. Plus, the majority uses wireless internet. Now, with 86% of all tablets requiring Wi-Fi internet, plus the fact that 75% of mobile users use Wi-Fi even though they have data plans, Wi-Fi really is a big deal. Even the lowest percentage group of consumers want free Wi-Fi. In fact, 77% of them do. Now here's a big eye-opener. 86% of consumers in the 21 to 24 and 35 to 44 age groups are influenced by free Wi-Fi. So this data is not to convince you why you should offer free Wi-Fi. It's still an expense. It does not get paid by your customers. So up until now, I can understand why some business owners still have not been swayed into offering it. But once you find out what leverage Wi-Fi can do for you, I think almost every business out there is going to want to offer free Wi-Fi. So let's go over the process. First step is a customer, patron, or member of your organization realizes you offer free Wi-Fi and connects to your network, which we set up for you. Next, they're taken to a landing page that we custom designed for you. They're asked to log in using their favorite social media. We currently allow them to connect using Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Instagram, email, and we just recently added SMS text message. Basically, they give you their cell phone number and agree to SMS text alerts. You can give them all those options or any of them. It's up to you. Now comes the real power of your new social-powered Wi-Fi marketing assault weapon. You can have the user do whatever you would like once they have socially connected. You can ask them to share their visit with friends and post it to their profile. So with the average Facebook user having nearly 400 friends connected to them, it's not going to take too many customers sharing your business to all their friends to start seeing a huge spike in business. And this is all on autopilot. That is just one example of what you can have your users do once they connect. We'll go over some more in-depth examples, ideas, and case studies later in this video. The fourth step is by far the most fun step and where you'll see huge results and return on investment like you've never seen before. This is where you're going to build lifetime customers and relationships. Once you've easily obtained their contact information and consent in the earlier steps, you now have a world of opportunity in terms of growing and scaling your business or organization. You can put them into an automated marketing sequence like an email newsletter, which is commonly called autoresponders, a mobile marketing or SMS text marketing campaign, plus there are many of other methods. I'm sure you've seen many examples of automated marketing campaigns by other businesses, or you may already be doing something like that in your own business. Things like sign up for our e-newsletter or our special club, or text such and such to this number to receive a free dessert, etc., etc. You can even export your data and use that for online advertising campaigns like Google, Facebook, and many others. Here's an example or demo of the user process. So what types of businesses will benefit the most from this? Well, we'll go over a few examples, but here's the process. Restaurants. There's no reason why any, and I mean any restaurant shouldn't be offering free Wi-Fi, especially using leverage Wi-Fi. Many consumers will not even dine somewhere if they don't offer free Wi-Fi. It's a sad truth, but people are more easily bored than ever today and want to always be looking at stuff online, even while they're eating. Since most people are restricted on data, or in many cases have bad signals inside larger buildings, it's no wonder why patrons want and expect free Wi-Fi. The problem up until now is that free Wi-Fi isn't really free for the business owner. In fact, internet service providers gouge business owners on internet costs at business locations, making it fairly expensive. The same internet would be much less for your home or personal residence. And prior to now, you got nothing in return except for the satisfaction of knowing you're providing your customers a convenience. Restaurants thrive off repeat customers and word of mouth, which is exactly what this technology focuses on. So restaurants will see huge benefit and return on investment from our service simply because it aligns so well to the restaurant industry. Retail stores. Much like restaurants, retail store consumers are very expectant of free Wi-Fi, but again, it is a costly expense for the business owner and seems to bring no apparent value to the owner in terms of bottom line. However, a social powered Wi Fi network will allow the store to automatically and systematically create a virtual sales team out of thin air. Increased sales, customer visits, viral buzz, additional foot traffic, and increased brand awareness are all right on the other side of setting up your social powered Wi Fi hotspot. This industry also aligns very well with what leverage Wi Fi is at the core. Hospitality. This is a no-brainer for any hospitality business because there's no question that consumers in this field absolutely expect to have this option available to them. While many hotels and resorts are flat out charging their customers for internet access, which by the way can also be done with our platform, many others are offering it for free to get more bookings. A recent survey showed that consumers preferred free Wi-Fi over free breakfast. So they'd rather surf than eat. That just blows my mind, but I'm sure I'm the same way, so I can definitely relate to this. So there are just too many industry examples to list, but here are some other great examples. Churches, great since they need a way to always engage with their congregation. Health centers like physician and dental offices, well, patients want something to keep them busy in your waiting rooms. How about building a list of them for future checkups, other procedures, review capturing opportunities, and those are just to name a few. Nightclubs and bars live off of social engagement. Plus, many consumers in this industry, they love to share their nightlife on social media. Can you say viral buzz? Schools constantly have things that need updating. Students need to know everything that's going on. Conference and events. Event coordinators have dreamed of the day that they could capture all attendees in their activity without manual sign-in forms. Also, we have campaigns for casinos, yoga or dance studios, salons, sports stadiums or entertainment venues, malls, theaters, airports, and the list just goes on and on. Next, we're going to go over some of the campaign objectives to really dig into the raw power of our platform. So the real meat and potatoes, if you will, is the ability to grow your database at a tremendous rate. So many businesses are already trying to do this now, but it's getting harder and harder to differentiate yourself with all the noise out there. Your customers connect to your free Wi-Fi by social media account. or by email if they don't use social media, which means you now have their actual email address. And the reason I say actual is because many people give a fake or rarely used email to sign up for free stuff online. Anyway, you get their real email address, name, and in many cases you'll get richer data such as gender, birthday, and even their social patterns. This is very powerful for future marketing and follow-up. If you're trying to build a loyal following on Facebook, you're going to love the power of our platform because not only can you gather all the data from your customers, but also they'll have the option to share and like your business on Facebook. So this will give you an ability to gather new customers all while expanding your customer database. If you have a mobile app or looking to get one done for your business in the future, your Wi-Fi will be a quick way for you to get hundreds or even thousands of people to download your mobile app. We can even link it directly to the app in the App Store, whether it be for Android or Apple Store for iPhones and iPads. A common problem with having a mobile app is getting people to download it. That will no longer be a problem with Leverage Wi-Fi. Real-time engagement has never been easier. You can tell people, connect to our Wi-Fi for a chance to win blank, or connect to our Wi-Fi and give us your feedback, or connect to our Wi-Fi to join our VIP club, or whatever you can think of. You can literally have your entire audience connected and interacting in seconds. Marketing automation is paramount in today's digital economy and staying ahead of your competitors. Imagine having a system that follows up with your customers at specific times and intervals and base it based on an action they took. Now, imagine being able to do this all on autopilot. Here's a perfect example. Let's say a user connects to Coca-Cola Wi-Fi, then shares and likes their page to their friends. 1 hour later, they receive an email thanking them for their visit. Then 3 days later, they receive a message, but not just any ordinary message. It's a message targeted to their gender. So if they're a man between 18 and 34, for example, they get a message about Coke Zero. However, if they're a female, they would get a totally different message. In this example, women 18 to 45 would get a message for vitamin water. So I hope you're starting to see the real power here. Now you can drive traffic to any contest, promotion, or special offer. You can literally promote anything and get eyeballs to it through your Wi-Fi hotspot. Running your loyalty campaign will be easier than you've ever dreamed possible. Imagine if each of your customers are sharing a valuable coupon with their hundreds of friends that see that coupon. How about giving your customers rewards for frequenting your business often? It's easy with Leverage Wi-Fi. Build a 5-star reputation faster than ever. Our platform makes building and managing your online reputation simple. We connect to major review sites like Yelp and TripAdvisor and can integrate to almost any reputation management software or suite. Get feedback instantly in real time using our social powered Wi-Fi solution. Surveys also. You'll never have to wonder what your customers are feeling. You'll know easily. Do you have an amazing sales video or video portfolio of any type of video? You'll drive up views in no time if you wish. Our platform is future-proof. Actually, I should say present-proof because mobile wallet is already here. That is when customers can pay with their mobile device. If you don't have that capability yet, it will be there for you if you ever do incorporate this technology into your business. Our platform also has a rich media builder integrated, so no need to call your web designer every time you want to add a new page for promotions or make an edit. The content is built for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, but also will work with PCs also in case someone accesses your Wi-Fi with a laptop. Our system has tons and tons of advanced features and content. I'm not going to go into those here for those that are new to this, but you can definitely see how much power this platform has and how much you can actually grow into the platform. You'll have the ability to log into a private dashboard where you get all kinds of data and analytics about your customers and Wi-Fi campaigns. We can even accommodate larger or more sophisticated networks as well, like large entertainment venues, resorts, large complexes and office buildings, and more. Not sure what level you need? Don't worry, we can handle small applications like small businesses that handle up to 16 simultaneous users, medium-sized applications like 32 to a few hundred, then all the way up to large-scale gateways that can handle up to 1,500 simultaneous users per gateway. So let's just recap some of the main benefits of a social power Wi-Fi solution. First and foremost, you're going to build a large email list of engaged customers or prospects. Second, you'll have the ability to increase customer loyalty like never before. It really hasn't been this easy before. You'll no longer have to have people fill out long forms by hand with pen and paper, or have them go to a page on your website whenever they get to it, or have to text blah 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 to this number. Just have them connect to your Wi-Fi, then your loyalty program works on autopilot. Social engagement is no longer a mystery. You'll have ability to build a huge list of Facebook fans and raving customers that'll happily share that with everyone they know. This is basically word of mouth on steroids. Wi-Fi promotions. Probably something you never thought about before, but now you can pretty much run a promotion on anything under the sun, systematically and simple. Wi-Fi sponsorships. This is a way to further monetize your free Wi-Fi, plus create strategic partnerships and alliances. If you don't yet know what ad retargeting is, you should definitely pay attention. Have you ever went to a website or shopped for something online, like say a car? Then next thing you know, you start seeing ads all over for that car or whatever you were browsing for. You see ads on Google, and your Facebook feed, on news and sports sites, almost everywhere. That's ad retargeting. See, when you first visited the original website for whatever you're looking for, that company dropped what is called a retargeting pixel on your computer or mobile device. It's basically a piece of code that tells the ad networks what the customer was looking at and what they did, like if they bought, signed up for a demo, or left without buying anything, etc., etc. Then it takes that data and bases the next ad based on the stage that person is in the buying process. If you're not there yet, don't worry, but every company can benefit immensely from this technology. Anyway, our platform has this integrated into it. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a social power Wi-Fi hotspot set up for your local store. When people log in, you redirect them to an offer, but to a specific product at a discount. Well, let's say they didn't buy and left your store. You could start targeting them with ads specific to that offer, trying to get them back to that offer to buy. If you want to know more about ad retargeting, just schedule a strategy session with us and we'll explain that in detail with you. So, as you can see, leverage Wi-Fi could very well become your best marketing tool, gaining the most traction and getting the best return on investment versus anything you've ever done or will do. Start leveraging free Wi-Fi into revenue and tremendous business growth now. Call us at 888-238-5210 or send us an email or get with your representative to find out how you can get started right away. Thank you for watching.